I can
They're
hear,
coming in
okay.
through the other door too. They opened the other door over there. Oh, he's throwing granadas! Oh, they're pushing. They're pushing.
I can't see him.
They're pushing up to us. Oh, go around that way. I need to heal.
Guy behind you, Ed.
Healing. Oh, he's right on me.
I know. Ah. You should be weak, Ed.
Killed one, got one down. I need to heal,
Pushing.
I need to heal. Oh, fuck. Trying to pull out a defib. Oh, I was heavily fitted too. There's one more. One more there. Yeah. He's picked up his teammate. He's picked up his teammate.
Ah.
He's defib. That was amazing.
Bitches. Fuck you.